Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader. You're watching live in the London session. I hope everybody is doing fine and great. Hey, what's up, young cheese? We try again. We try again today. What try, brother? We already made profits yesterday. The motto is to make profits. It's either on the gold, silver, crude oil, net gas, Forex, S&P 500, US 30 tech. The motive, the goal is to make profit in intraday trading. Give me 1 minute to settle down. we are, we and I personally took profit. What do you say in Tokyo session? This was the Tokyo session trade. We took profits, four TPs. But when then the data came up, it went high. But I'm sure this is just a fake out. I'm gonna give a brief analysis of what's happening, but as for now, given the fact that the data is same as before, the only advice I can give you just buy in this. I am super bearish on this one, but until it drops, just keep on buying. I tried yesterday from selling from this point again, but it got hit, but I made my profits. At the end of the day, I'm more profitable. No, I wasn't in a buy in this one. And in this drop is most likely in Asian session today. I was as usually I sold in the Tokyo session. The first thing I do when I wake up, or if I don't sleep in Tokyo session, is I just short. So yeah, I'm looking for trades besides gold. So give me a minute. Till then, if you have any question, you can ask me up. London session has started. Okay, let's do a complete breakout. But before that, let me. Okay, here we are. This is the intraday chart. Okay, this is Tokyo high. Tokyo high is 2726. Tokyo low is 2700, and this is a range. Okay, $26 range. This is London start. Let's see if London retest is what you say Tokyo low, or it just retest within the Fibonacci golden area. We're gonna make profits just like every day. Yesterday we made profits on USD JPY. If you guys remember, I told you guys to sell this area specifically. This area on live stream. I advise you guys to do the exact same. Yeah, I know a lot of people would be saying, oh, the Chinese are anticipating, yuan weakness, blah, blah, blah. So they're gonna put pressure on the JPY. By the way, Swiss interest rate are out. Okay, Euro CHF just pumped up. Look at USD CHF. It just pumped up. GPP JPY is dropping down. Look at this USD CHF. It just pumped up on interest rate. They had interest rate. Yep. I don't trade this pair. But yes, it was a nice pump. It's most likely is gonna start doing a pullback. So if you guys want, you can enter a sell on the pullback. But in the meantime, okay. So guys, get on a short on Euro USD. In short, GPP USD. GPP USD is dropping down because of this news. It's dropping down. Enter a sell over here. I'm putting a stop loss over here. Nice scalp. Back to Euro USD where we were. Euro USD is what Euro USD does. It goes up and it drops down. This is the range. You need to understand that Euro USD is within a range. We are back to Forex trading because in Trump era, dollar is gonna rally. So you need to focus on the dollar, more dollar. And I won't be sharing a lot. I will be mostly be focused on gold since our stream time is just limited, so I cannot discuss everything. So if you want the morning briefings and the updates on Forex, crude oil, join the premium. It's really cheap. Monthly, 3 monthly, whatsoever. And stay updated. You'll make more money. Trust me. There are people who are making tons of money. Hundreds of thousands of dollars by the grace of Almighty. Because it helps you, no need to take stress. We'll take care of it. Analysis and everything. You just make money, brother. Make your life some easy. Okay, this is a net gas trade. I'm just showing off you guys so you guys can see the potential people are making. This was the trade that I took on Monday. And nice profits. Let's focus on gold today because I'm getting a lot of messages. I say if you have to choose between gold and silver, choose silver because silver is, behaving more, what do you say, respecting demand and supply area. And besides silver, nothing is, acting. Silver is going up, price of silver. Yeah, silver has breaking the resistance area at around 32 200. And yeah, enter a gold buy then. Of course, this is what will we do. We will be buying gold now. Unfortunately, the entire game plan was a sell, but don't forget to sell. There is no buyer and seller, there's just traders. This now the season I was saying that why I was in a sell, I'm still bearish, is because of this. I was considering this an ABC correction. I might be wrong. Yeah, I might be. But if this is the third wave, then we are awaiting a retracement. And this is the last pump. This is the last pump, and after that there is a huge drop because Trump is gonna come in the office. Wait for a drop, and the best possible thing I say, the drops are huge because sell pressure can counter anytime. So I advise you guys to just be really careful around gold. On your USD, clearly seeing that it goes up, it comes down. So have a plan. This is in a sideways channel, so you can scalp a lot. We are in a sell since here, and these are all premium signals. So guys are holding those swing trades for weeks. We're gonna take those trades for months. So it's a nice plan, to make profits without stressing yourself. Yeah, I'm a bit sick today, so you'll find me low energy. I'm a bit sick. But do like the stream, guys. Come on, hit the like button. I cannot see the chat. God knows what. Something went wrong. YouTube error. It's alright. So I hope you guys understood. Sell the gold right here. Take your profits around this golden area, Fibonacci zone, and just wait. On a bullish engulfing, enter a buy. A scalp. I'm saying I am 50% bullish, 50% bearish. I am looking for that huge drop. The reason is this. There was no It was not possible for gold to break out this zone without any reason. The data was CPI was exactly the same. But since it is going up and it looks like that is going to, because I was, if you guys remember, I was super bullish on gold, but my stance changed after the Trump won the election, and I know something is up. This momentum is just a retailer. As soon as the institutions or hedge funds gonna enter at the same area, is gonna be a massacre. Previously, this is the area where the short sell begin. So I will be really careful around 26, 30 and 40 zone because it's gonna drop. A short sell can happen and a pump can then happen again. Given that this is the third wave, completion of the third wave. Third impulse wave is always the huge one. This made me doubt. This sideway range completely made me doubt. But I was still profitable on net natural gas and a bunch of other. But right from here, 2650. A lot of people were bullish, but I was like short over here. Even I shorted here near 29, 2690. I need to be more careful regarding gold. My problem is that I am a swing trader, right? So I think of the future. We all know it's gonna drop. So I think of swing and scalp. So I will try to distinguish. I will try to keep the scalp and the swing separately now. Hit the like button, guys. Come on, 6 people are watching. Only one like. Come on. So since it's intraday and I already short in the Tokyo session, I'm gonna wait, wait a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. I was just reading the market. It seems like gold is in a sideways range. It's still bullish on 4 hour, but anything can happen. Anything. Today is PPI and unemployment claims in New York session, so I'll be really careful. Guys, come on, like the video. I'm saying again, there was a time I used to get 20 likes. Now people hardly like. They're just here for the signals. Come on, man. Like the video, then I'll get more. I'm motivated enough to sit and stream for you guys. Gold is dropping. You can sell it till around 2707, 20. Anything above, as I said back then, that as long as gold is below 2650 is bearish, right? But even then, when it was going up, it was more of a bull trap. But it seems like now everybody is in a trap, either bull or bear, because as soon as the hedge funds and the institutions gonna get a chance, they're gonna rig rag roll. They're gonna pump dump and drop the market. So you need to be really careful. Really careful. This is the danger point. This is the danger zone. Nothing is guaranteed above 2700 because there are several things that need to be taken into consideration. The first thing is that Fed Daly, he said that, let me record, that inflation is rising, and if inflation keeps on rising, they can and they will, do interest rate hike again. This is not a good thing. Look at over here. This tweet was done on 6th December by Fed Daly. And if you don't know who she is and what her job is, and you are just trading gold based on just fundamental, then God help you. And you know why these are the reasons I'm bearish. I'm on a sell on gold because of these Fed. They're talking about rate increasing rate, okay? Those are rate hikes. Okay, and if they start talking about rate hikes, market is gonna keep on dropping till they do the rate hike. The same way for a year, gold was just going up, market was just cashing in the rate cut, and when finally the rate cut was done, gold started, we saw a huge drop, $250 drop from 2800 to 2500, and now it's going up. Retailers, they are like, oh, okay, is gold is going up, keep on buying. Have you read the court report, commitment of trader report? Have you seen the amount of retailers that are all long? Their longs are far more greater than commercials. Commercials are the institutions and hedge funds, and their non-commercials are always right. They're gonna liquidate all these people who aren't the long, because unlike you guys who are scalping, there are some people who hold on to their longs, and they will be liquidated. The question is on which range? Which range? 2600, 2700 or 2800? And I won't be here to find it out. I'll be shorting. See this? These huge spikes. Have you seen? If you ever been to the shore or river or the ocean, when you pick up the stone and you throw it, you throw that stone really hard and far away, you see that stone, bouncing off on the water, and each time it bounces, it creates waves, right? Just like that, these are the bounces on, and then it finally drops, right? When after three, 4 bounces, the stone goes inside the water. So the same thing is gonna happen with gold. See these bounces, after 3, 4 bounces, the rock's gonna go down the bottom of the ocean. and we don't know how down. And people will try to grab that knife. Don't say I didn't warn you. This is what, if I get a stopped out on my sell over here, that is an educated stop loss rather than holding on to this. Buy that can this is the reason, because I'm thinking swing term, right? I'm thinking long term. I know you guys are scalping, you're thinking short term, but I'm thinking long term. Guys, come on, like the video. Only 2 likes, come on guys, 10 likes, come on again. Boost up the stream, guys. 7 people are watching, only 2 likes. So I hope you understood the plan. And by the way, if you haven't joined the Telegram, what do you say? Go join the Telegram. I posted a link yesterday. There's a whole 1-hour interview on CNBC of Donald Trump, where he's talking about what he's gonna do on the first day that he takes charge in the White House. So you need to go through all of that immediately. It's necessary. It's just like that interstellar scene that it's not mad, it's necessary, man. So I hope this clarifies why I was, selling when the market was going up, because I know what's about to happen. But still, I was a bit confused that is this the ABC or the 4, because this is not the way the impulse wave, fifth impulse wave 1 to 5 it behaves. But right now, today is PPI and unemployment, and I think we might see the market did not drop. Last week, high NFP number, Powell's speech, Trump tweet, wasn't enough to throw the gold. Gold is not dropping. Because this is market manipulation. Imagine that all the data is screaming gold should drop down, but gold is not dropping down, it's going up. So what is this showing? Stagflation. Stagflation in the economy. Inflation rising, right? So this is a problem with Fed. They ignore inflation. They are ignoring inflation. They are cutting interest rate. If they ignore inflation, and then Fed Daily says that if inflation keeps rising, in short, if I say that Powell is not stupid, he acts stupid. He wants to hike the interest rate because that's what they do. It's like a game. They cut interest rate, and the entire year everybody keeps talking about cut, and cut happens, and then they start talking about hike, and it does a last pump or a dump according to the given case scenario, and then it start dropping. Now as soon as they're gonna start talking, then the market sentiment is gonna change. Everybody sell gold. The rate hike is happening. Daily is saying, Powell is saying, and you all see that it's everything. The entire market is like on the sell mode, and Trump is sitting in the office. This thing is gonna happen, brothers. In 2025 is gonna be my 8th year of trading. So I'm here. I'm surviving. And if I'm giving you warning that if you are intraday trader, be warned, because dark days ahead. The empire is gonna strike back. You see, these is gonna happen. If these drops are not, if these are like the stones hitting the water. Where are the sellers? They're quietly waiting for their Sith Lord to return. Who is their Sith Lord? Donald Trump. And he's gonna, bring those big red bars on, gold. And if they are sitting patiently, they're gonna just, it's like one huge lot size, and that drop comes in. They'll make huge profits, more profits than people who are on the buy. That's for sure. Patience pays you off in trading. Again, guy, before I did not post the link. Let me post the link. Today, as again every day, I'm giving 2 spots on premium VIP signal group 3 at 25% off. Grab it before it's too late. Every week, I will just announce 2 spots at 25% off. And if you are lucky enough to grab it, grab it. But be wise. Choose it either on 1 month, 3 month, yearly or lifetime. By the way, don't forget to join the Discord and Telegram group. Here's the link. Come on guys, like the videos. Come on. Okay. My signals on the premium group are mostly gonna come today in the New York session because London is just, Tokyo and New York are the only thing that is, putting money in my pocket. London is just so manipulative, so sideways range, and even the sideways range is not decided. Tokyo morning, the Tokyo traders come in and they sell and they walk away. And they just walk away. And they bag in more money than the guys in the New York session. In short, if I say Tokyo is about dump and New York is about pump, I won't be long. So if you are trading in London session right now, you can, most probably just try to trade on Forex because today there is lots of high impact news on, Euro pairs. We just received interest rate on what do you call the ADP, CHF. Sorry, odd unemployment we received early in the morning. We got interested, and now we're gonna finally get we also gonna get euro interest rate today. So I'll be here streaming the. Let me see how much time is left. We're gonna get that in New York session. The monetary policy statement. So this is not good. At least not good for temporary, like intraday. Euro USD might tank up. But before that, we might see till the New York session, Euro USD just keeps dropping. By the way, if you're somebody who trades dollar and yen, yeah, he have to really, up his game because Trump is coming. Again, I'm saying I'm giving two. Wait a second, let me post it up. I forget that I announced it. Let me just post this up on the screen so you guys can focus on the stream and I don't forget. So right about in the New York session, we're gonna see the interest rate, Euro USD, Euro interest rate. Okay, so as it's seen over here, this was the entire year. By the way, let's talk about dollar index. Since I said that I'll keep my stream education, and right now nothing is happening. At least everything is on the sideway range and in a slow. And yeah, before I start my analysis on dollar index, I just want to say if you are on gold right now, gold is in a sideway range. His London session is always sideway range. Always sideway range. So if you have any trades running from bottom of around 2700 on a buy, keep them holding. Keep them. Let's go back to dollar index. This is dollar index day one candle. If you guys were here, I said that it's gonna break. It's gonna break this area, and we saw that the past couple of years, almost like the duration from 2022 till 2024, dollar index was within this range of 199 to 107, and the next 2025 I see this range extending from 105 to 114 15, just like back in the old era. And if he breaks all time high, don't be surprised. Okay, now let me talk about the inverse curve on 1 monthly time frame on dollar index. This inverse curve, I have this plotted up for more than like 4-5 years, and this is the inverse curve from 2022. This was Trump era. This was Donald Trump. He came over here at the bottom, 88, 89. And if you were somebody trading Euro USD and you were just shorting, swing trading, holding them shorts on Euro USD, and you still have them open till today, you are in profits. And this is just exactly that's gonna happen right now. Dollar is gonna tank. Why? Because the Donald Trump is saying good things about Bitcoin, right? He's talking about Bitcoin X dollar. It's like a collab between dollar and Bitcoin. So from here, as soon as Trump takes office, if it breaks this inverse curve and makes new all-time high, don't be surprised. Because Trump, what he wants is, he wants to remove American economy from the debt. And the only way that is possible for him is to do something unimaginable, unthinkable. Something which was not done before. Something on a larger scale. And now America don't have that kind of a juice and that kind of a power to, drag its economy out of the debt. So how they gonna do it? They're gonna rely on Bitcoin. Yeah, if Donald Trump keeps on building reserve, on Bitcoin, and keeps, saying nice positive things about it, that's gonna hit 1 million. Of course, the rally is gonna be pumped. And now everybody who was making fun of Bitcoin is, considering of adding it in the portfolio. And since they are adding, why are you not adding? Ethereum is still cheap. If you guys who are working hard on monthly salary, you cannot buy Bitcoin, at least you can buy Ethereum and other stuff. Buy and hold them. No need to sell them. You have a saving account, right? When you have a saving account, you don't touch that money, right? So open a saving account on the crypto. Use my referral link from the bottom, or if you don't want to use it, it's alright. But at least do it. Put some money. Look at this. MicroStrategy. It's going up, right? If you don't know what MicroStrategy is, go check out my video on Bitcoin crash alert. That alert is still active. I'm still really cautious. Tokyo just ended right now. SNB chairman Segol, without today's cut, inflation forecast wouldn't be okay. Okay. You can scalp this small range, buy and sell. I'm not looking at it. I'm looking at a larger picture. Coming back to dollar index. This is intraday dollar index chart. Dollar index is looking long and strong. And as long as it's long and strong, there's nothing that can change the stance. By the way, guys, in 2025, if you need anything on your portfolio, you definitely need to add USD JPY and Bitcoin and USD JPY. These two things are gonna make you big profit. The stream is going on for 53 minutes. Anyways, coming back on gold because you guys are sitting over here. Okay, looking at silver right now. Silver for opportunities. Gold has a really small range. I think you guys should enter a sell on silver. This is the area where for the pullback, enter a sell. Take your profits around this area. Enter a short at exactly at this area at the pullback. Stop loss, keep it tight. Profit is at previous golden area. And if you are wondering what I'm using for trading, I'm using a specific trading scalp setup. I entered a short over here and I'm also gonna enter at the pullback. My stop loss is 264,500. And as soon as it drops down, I'm gonna buy from here. Okay, guys, so this is the area I'll be working now. This is the entire area of silver. Gold is gonna take some time to drop. So focus on silver because gold is not dropping that much. If it drops, there's a huge candle. But at least silver is doing its thing. This is 5:15. Let me switch from 15 to 5 minute. Now it's clearly visible over here. Okay, guys, I'm working. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. The stream is gonna be live, and I'm working again. I'm saying, if you have any questions, you can ask me on the uh, YouTube chat. And before I go, let me post this up. Okay, by the way, guys, the fifth batch last date is 31st December. You got whole month, so don't waste it. Okay, waste money because gonna come back. Don't waste time because not gonna come back. And it's for your own good, own good sake. If you think that you can trade based, just by reading some books without any experience, then you can try. But it's been proving that everybody who took the batch 1, 2, 3, even 4, which is half complete, everybody is in profit. If anybody is in some difficulties due to the trade psychology, but we are working on them too. So in the end, everybody will become more profitable. If it goes back to the sell area, then grab onto a sell if you're not in a sell. Okay guys, so these are my entries, and I entered again on my second silver trade. It's a re-entry because you can see the pullback happening because we are in Tokyo session is closed and we are entering into the mid what do you say, mid session between Tokyo and New York. And it's likely gonna go retest the, let me turn on the market sessions. It's gonna go, our TP area is Tokyo low. So this is how why I say that you trade from trade session to trade session. Okay, first target, first TP1 is London low. If it breaks London low, then it's gonna go retest Tokyo low. Here are my entries. So you guys can see I entered on a pullback. This is how it's been going on. It's gonna go down. Our TPs are already marked in. Let's talk about a Bitcoin right now. For those who are wondering what they're gonna do about crypto, first of all, crypto is stuck in a range, alright? That range varies. Now it's showing a resistance area at 101.4. That almost like 101 is acting at a resistance area. And this is the exact same area where the price previously retraced back to. So sellers have entered over here, and if you are like in a sell from here, and this is a swing trade by the way, so you need to be careful. You put your stop loss and you enter a sell. So this is the whole idea of entering a sell over here. You can enter about anywhere in this area above this zone. This zone actually is really nice area. You see this wick over here, this wick, the wick which rejected, this is a rejection area. You can enter a sell from here, and as soon as you enter a sell over here, you just done for the day. Just leave it running. If you're scalping, you okay, enter a scalp. Keep taking the profits. When it goes down, it goes up, you know. Keep scalping those waves. Other than that, you're good for the day. Our sell entry is on point. We are in profits on sell trade. Live. We're just gonna let this trade run, and remember guys, as soon as the TP1 hits, if you have layers of trade, put them on break even, just right next to the entry area. So your risk is 0%, okay? And profit is guaranteed 100%. And what's the worst can happen? It breaks even. Alright. So you already booked your profits and everything is in order. This is how you do. Trade management is the essence of trading. Trade entry is not the essence. I see people, they have anxiety, FOMO into entering a buy or a sell. It's not the FOMO buy or sell, is the entry. And this is why I said I am on silver rather than on gold. Look at gold. Gold is like, see this drop. This is like 17 to 14, like $3 $4 movement. On the same time, if we open a sell on silver, it will give us more profit. I can expect to, I'll be trading silver until I see a large chunk of drop on gold. Until then, I'm gonna wait for the gold to drop, because gold is like suddenly drops, it's like huge big red candle. Just like you throw the stone in the oceans, every time it bounces off, it creates waves. That's what happening. Really slow pushing upward, and then it drops down. So it's like a slow poison. Gold is a slow poison. It's hurting the buyers and sellers too. If you are scalping it, good short term, but anything more, like any buy trade more than 15 seconds is most likely gonna, on scalping, if you have a tight stop loss, it's gonna hurt you. But if you have a normal or a large stop loss, then it might be a different case. But yeah, again I'm saying TP3 is Tokyo low, TP1 is what do you call 32.0879, TP1, and TP2 is 32.0316. Let it run. And by the way guys, join the Telegram group and Discord channel. Okay guys, our trade is running towards TP1 slowly. Holy TP1 hit. TP1 hit. TP1 has been hit, guys. TP1 has been hit. It's a drop. TP2 is hit. TP1 and TP2 has been hit. Profit 1 has been hit. Take profit 2 has been hit. We are green. Both TP1 and 2 has been hit. Live stream, guys. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. If I get 5 likes, I'm gonna extend the stream from by 1 hour, and then we might stream till the New York session. I might do a long stream till New York session, but I don't know. I think this is enough. 2 hours is enough. As long as we don't get more than 10 likes, as long as we don't get more viewers, I'm gonna stick to 2 hour stream. Might be even one day. On days when I'm more busy. So yeah, see you guys again in New York session. Till then, take care of yourself and take care of your profits. Again, I'm advising people not to open any more trades. And if you want to trade metal, just trade silver. Gold is something that is gonna annoy a lot of people. Look at this, gold also dropped down. But it's time to buy gold, I guess. Well, I'll be giving the gold signal on premium signal group then. See you guys later, guys. See you guys in the New York session. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.